Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a very long time since I last posted on YouTube, and honestly I kind of miss talking to you guys every week. Also, the last time I posted was, I feel like, a very long time ago. It's been about 4 years or something like that, and my child has grown up a little bit more, and I have a different job in my career, and I kind of want to start something new again, vlogging, YouTubing, and updating you guys on the new things that I find out there for sale or whatnot. But there's a new trend that's going around lately, and I don't know how I feel about it. There's this big hobo bag trend, and I don't want to purchase something super big right now or super expensive because I don't know how I'm going to feel about it. So I purchased something from Vincent Camuto. It is a hobo bag. I got it out of the box, but I have not opened it. So it's supposed to be big enough to fit my laptop, but we'll see. I wanted to try it first before I bought something truly expensive. So I really like the shoes, and I like the style of the bag. This is why I went and got this one. First of all, it is not very loud, right? You don't really know who the brand is from. And the top handle, it seems to be comfortable, but I'll give you guys some odd shots. I wanted to see how I feel about having a big bag first before I purchased one. I have this one. This is the on-the-go GM that I use for work, but it's so big and rectangular that I do have some wear and tear on the sides. It's just so humongous against my frame, and I wanted something to kind of fit against my body and I could use more so every day. So let's pack her up. I would say she came in very well. Came in a big box with something else that I've purchased, which I'll share with you guys in a bit. But that's the inside. Leather is very soft and fluffy. That's why I wanted to buy it. So first things first, I have a 13-inch laptop that is my work laptop. You can see it's speed up really well. I wanted to see if it fits first. So here we go. Let's try it. All right. She fits very comfortably. Perfect. And then I wanted to see what else I can put in it. But let's break off some of the tags here. I think I purchased this on sale too. I'll share with you guys up here how much I paid for it. I also bought a pair of shoes from there, which I don't really know how I feel about them yet. They look really cute, but again, you never know with shoes. You gotta try them on first. So these are flat Mary Janes, but the leather seems to be a little bit stiff. So I wanted to try it out and let you guys how I feel about it. Like, yeah, so we'll see. And then the bottom, obviously, it doesn't have a heel. It's just like a little tiny kitten heel. But I thought it would be perfect for something casual or something at work. So that came with this bag. All right, so let me grab my bag for today. Where is it? Alright, so for today, I am using my Neo Alma BB in white. We will stuff this bag with what's in there and see if I like it. I'll use it sometime this week and kind of give you guys an update here on IG next week. But it does come with a little like pochette. It does have the brand, but it's not colored. So if you're not into the very loud like Louis Vuitton monogram or things like that, I don't think this is as bad. It smells like leather. Yeah. Okay. So first things first, my phone. You know, I feel like I'm gonna need some sort of, this is a humongous bag, so I'm gonna put my little items in here first, the ones that I use, the ones that I'll grab for. So like my phone, and let's see, my wallet, put that in there. And then I have my hand sanitizer, which I think I will keep them in here just because if I go into a store and I don't want to bring the big bag, I'll just bring this with me. A lip balm from Ole Henriksen, and my Valentino little perfume thingamabobber that I'm going to put in here in the bag. What else is in here? My sunglasses. These sunglasses are Burberry, but I can't find the case like thing for it, so now it's in my Saint Laurent pouch, but I don't want it scratched, so we'll put it in there. And I also have my Gucci coin purse that has all my cards that I don't use every day. So that's how it looks. I'm going to give you guys some mod shots, and I'm going to use this throughout the week as my work bag. I'm kind of excited. It doesn't feel so bulky like the Louis Vuitton GM, and kind of go from there. That's it, you guys. I just wanted to update you. How are you all doing? Are you having hot flashes like me? Is it hot everywhere you go? Do you feel like you forget everything? Your keys, your wallet, your sanity? What else? Everything irritate you? I hope it gets better. I hear it gets better. But yeah, I'm excited to go back onto this journey of talking to you guys, hopefully in a more often and scheduled basis. If you guys have any ideas for videos, let me know. I do have another haul that I'll be posting later on. I bought a bunch of stuff from the Real. It's been a long time since I purchased stuff from there, and I was pleasantly surprised, so I wanted to share the purchases with you guys. But yeah, that's it for now. Really short video. Just hello, how are you? I miss you guys. I'll let you know how I feel about this Vince Camuto hobo bag before I go for a big purchase. And who knows, I might be so happy with this one that I will probably keep it and make it my everyday work bag. It is very soft, and I love that about it. It's not stiff. So I'm not saying it's cheap versus the Louis Vuitton GM. Obviously, it's much more affordable, and I would be more comfortable like putting it on the floor in the office, or you know, forgetting it in my car in the Texas heat. I wouldn't be as worried about it. Obviously, since you know, you guys know that buying luxury purses, you do have to care for them a little bit better, or a little bit more, if you want to keep them looking the way they are since we originally bought them. So yeah, I hope to see you guys next week. Let me know if you guys have any videos that you are requesting. I do have a few content that I have lined up, but otherwise, I'm hoping just to get back in the groove of posting. Missed y'all. See you later. So here's the bag, guys. I really love how soft it is, by the way. And the color, it's very subtle and neutral. I wanted the handle to be something comfortable over the shoulder. This is another reason why I chose this style and how it fits. It kind of fits flush into my body. And I'm trying to show you the inside, and I'm failing miserably. Yep. totally failing. Sorry, guys. But yeah, that's the inside. I have a 13-inch laptop, so there's about 2 inches left if you have a bigger laptop than I do. See you guys. Thank you.